Hello everyone. So here is the another video on the molarity. Molarity is a very popular term used in the chemistry. It is used to measure the concentration of the solutions. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Here solute is a substance that can be dissolved into a solution by a solvent. Here solute is present in less quantity and solvent is present in large quantity. Solute plus solvent makes a solution. Now, molarity is expressed in units of moles per liter. It is a very common unit and it has its own symbol, which is capital M. For example, a solution which has a concentration of 5 mole per liter is called 5 mole M solution or a concentration value of 5 molar. Now, for calculating molarity, or the equation for calculating molarity is the ratio of number of moles of solute to the volume of solvent used to dissolve the given solute, which is capital M is equals to N divided by volume. Here capital M is the molarity of the solution which we have to calculate. N is the number of moles of the solute and V is the volume of solution given in liters. It can be better understand by few examples. So first example is, in this example one has to calculate the molarity of a solution which is prepared by dissolving 13.2 gram of NaCl in sufficient water to give 2 liters. So in question the grams of NaCl is given, and to calculate the number of moles we have to calculate the molar mass of NaCl. So the number of moles becomes weight in gram of NaCl divided by molar mass of NaCl. Now the molar mass of NaCl is molecular weight of sodium plus molecular weight of chlorine, which is 58.5 gram per mole. So the number of moles becomes 13.2 divided by 58.5, which is equals to 0.23 moles. Now, as we know, the molarity is number of moles per volume of the solution. Here the volume of the solution is 2 liters, so the molarity becomes 0.23 divided by 2, which is 0.115. We can better understand the molarity by another example. It is a solution prepared using 15 gram of sodium sulfate. The volume of solution is given, which is 125 ml, and we have to calculate the molarity of given solution of sodium sulfate. So firstly we write the molecular formula for sodium sulfate, which is Na2SO4. The molecular formula of water is H2O. Firstly we calculate the molar mass of sodium sulfate, which is 23, which is the molar mass of sodium multiplied by 2, plus 32, which is the molar mass of sulfur, plus 16, which is the molar mass of oxygen multiplied by 4. So the molar mass of sodium sulfate becomes 142. Now firstly we calculate the number of moles of sodium sulfate, which is calculated by mass in grams per molecular weight. Mass is given in the question, which is 15, and the molecular weight is 142. So the N becomes 15 divided by 142, which is 0.106. The volume of the solution is given in question, which is 125 ml. Firstly we convert it into liters, so we divide 125 by 1000, so the volume becomes 0.125. Now we use the formula for molarity, which is number of moles of solute per volume of the solution. The number of moles of solute is 0.106, which we calculated before, and the volume of solution is 0.125, so the molarity becomes 0.85 m. Now benefits and demerits of molarity. The first advantage of molarity is that it is easy and convenient to use, because the solute which we use in a solution can be easily measured in grams and can be easily converted into moles. The second advantage is that the sum of molar concentration is the total molar concentration, which can easily permits calculation of density and ionic strength. The biggest disadvantage of molarity is that it changes according to temperature, which is because the volume of a liquid is affected by temperature. If all the measurements are performed at a single temperature, then there is a no issue. However, it's good practice to report the temperature when citing a molarity value. So, when making a solution, keep in mind that molarity will change slightly if we use a very hot or a very cold solvent. Here, store the final solution at a different temperature. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, comment it, and subscribe the channel.